Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you an amazing trick. So, let's get started. First open Notepad. Now copy exactly what I wrote to. Now save it. Give any name.
Moving with the motion, following.
Save with .vbs extension. It is very important part. It will not work unless saved to this extension. Here you can see that a software is being created. Now write something here.
Hello friends.
So, as you can see, it's a female computer. Try it, and comment on whether your computer is male or female. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and comment.